fuck.
Periodic table. So, how are we gonna do this?
I think we should talk about the history of the periodic table.
We can also say what we know.
Okay. Well, I know that in 1829, John Boulder made the first model called the Thoroids. In this model, he arranged the elements in groups of threes due to reactivity.
34 years later, in 1863, John Newlands arranged the elements in octaves. He saw patterns in properties by 80s.
And I know that Dmitri Mendeleev created the periodic table of elements by arranging the atomic mass, and Lothar Meyer then improved upon Mendeleev's periodic table by arranging them by increasing atomic mass.
Lastly, Henry Moseley created the final periodic table in 1913 by the actual nuclear charge, also known as the
Maybe
atomic.
we should also talk about what makes up the periodic table.
That sounds like a good idea. In the periodic table of elements, these are many important things. First, there are the groups. They designate valence electrons. Second are the periods, the rows on the table. They designate the energy levels.
The valence electrons are the outermost electrons in an atom. They determine how atoms react with other atoms. The ions are an atom or molecule where the total number of electrons does not match the total number of protons. This gives a positive or negative electrical charge.
An oxidation number is equal to the charge of the ion. The metals on the periodic table are on the left of the periodic table, colored in green. They are ductile, malleable, shiny, and solid.
Next are the metalloids. On the periodic table, they are colored in purple. The elements are have physical and chemical properties of both nonmetals and metals. Silicon and germanium are two of the most important metalloids. Nonmetals are on the right of the table, colored in blue. They are generally gases, not shiny, dual, not heat or electricity conductors, but bromine is only nonmetal liquid at room temperature.
Yay, let's go home. We're all done.